Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can create a timeline here in your presentations and boards on Miro. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so add a frame first to your board. So for example, as a background, and you can do this guys by clicking into frame here on the left sidebar and by selecting custom size and by drawing a frame like this. Now let me remove that one here really quickly because I added already frame number 7 to my board. After that guys, navigate to this plus button here at the bottom of that left sidebar and search for timeline. Usually you'll find it under formats like that. You may also pin it to your toolbar by clicking into this button, left click, and now position it on your frame just like that. Let me zoom in a bit. Now you can, for example, move it or resize it, for instance, just like that, so that it covers your frame. And after that, guys, simply customize it. For instance, you may add various tasks to your timeline by clicking into, for instance, into that plus button here. And let me type in or name it 4, it should be task number 4. For instance, if we get first, second, and third, you can always rename these, of course. So let me rename it, for instance, to task number 1. There you go. All right, guys. So as you can see, it is actually simple. So you can always move them along your timeline, these tasks, for instance, by using these handles here, for example. And you will see the calendar here at the top with today's date. And that's one way how you can do it. If you would like to make the task longer, if it lasts, let's say, for a month, you may always left click into it and select the exact date here from the calendar. So let me set the given task to November 8th and the end date to, let's say, the end of the year, New Year's Eve. Click into save. And there you go, these changes will be applied instantaneously, guys. So that's how you do it. You can customize these tasks even more. Click into them. For example, open the given task in the side panel, add comments to it, choose a color. Let me go with that background color here. You may right click into the given task and set this as default view, lock it, bring it to front, and so on and so forth, guys. And then you may, for example, select these customization tools. For example, you may switch between different layout views like table, timeline, or Kanban. I will go with timeline here. You may sort these records here. You may apply various filters. You may customize the view settings, for instance, the dependencies, and so on and so forth. And also, guys, switch to a daily view or a monthly, yearly, quarters, weeks, and so on and so forth. You can always change the order of these tasks or click into these 3 dots here, delete the given task, add a subtask or sub-record. However, that is not possible within my membership, but in general, it is possible to do this, guys. So that's how you create a timeline step by step in Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.